Mubango uria urararirio wa kere kiroko ni MCA Nairobi urari wa kuruturura Speaker Elachi kuma wabici-ini yake Kiainya makiuga matire na mwihoko nake ringi na ati ni akoretwo akihuthira wabici yake uru. Ona gutuika MCA 56 merikanite ni marikitie gwikira kirore mubango wa kuhagurwo gwake itanya riri ni rithararirio ni maabitha a borithi. Na makiriraga maitho marahinyiriria ati no nginyagia mahagure Elachi makiuga ni mahaririirie irore cia kuigana iria cikumahotithia gukinyaniria itanya riri makiongerera ati ni mageretie kumukiririria wabici-ini hatari na maciaro.
So the impeachment motion she will not escape. Let her prepare defense. Let her rally her members. We have the numbers and we are going to impeach her.
I think it was a very simple thing. Receive your service. If you have issues with the court order, please go to court and do what is supposed to be done.
Ona kuri uguo atongoria aya ni mamenererie maabitha borithi makiuga ni mahuthirire hinya mukiru na ona kuingirira mubango wao thenge ya gukorwo utari wa kuna watho.
One police, namely Mwaniki, took a rungu, hit me here. I have some marks. He hit my hand and he couldn't stop.
She's mastered the art of using policemen, whether plain clothes, whether it is AP, GSU, all these factions are now, we're interacting. Actually, there are more policemen in that house than there are members at any time.
Maya magithiaga na mbere mutongoria wa mihango ya ukoria wa Nairobi Major General Mohamed Badi ni areganite na muhuhu ati ni akuruhanite na gutharario kwa mibango ya bunge yo na ati ni arahuthira hinya wake biraru niguo kuruta wira wake Nairobi. Riri ni rita ria keri bunge ya kaunti ya Nairobi irageria kuhagura Speaker Elachi.